Here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres, materials wetted. Help highlight the cuttings and patterns. Okay, I've just gone in a bit so you can see the pieces. Show you this piece first. Nice opal face there. Another interesting piece there. It's ready to slice off the larger stone. This piece is a part of a nut from Kuwait. See the onion ring pattern around there. It's been cut across it there. And there's the other end. Some nice colours coming through here. See there some greens. Saw some blues before up here. Anyway, it's thick enough to cut probably 4 slices at least across there if that's the way you want to cut it. And the last piece has a seam running through here. Needs to be split. It's also running down there. How far that goes down, I don't know. Looks like that joins up there, so you might end up with a couple of stones. I don't know until you open it up. But, anyway, a couple of pieces of gamble. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.